In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to eBay so you can use eBay as a sales channel for your Printify products. To get started, log into your Printify account and head to your dashboard. At the top of the page, open the Store Selection drop-down menu. This is where Printify lets you switch between connected stores or add a new sales channel. From the menu, select Add a New Store. If you already have stores connected and need to manage them first, you can choose Manage My Stores instead. You'll now see a list of available sales channels and platforms. Find eBay in the list and select it. Quick side note, for more straightforward Printify and e-commerce tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Once you've selected eBay, click Connect. Printify will then guide you through authorizing the integration, which gives Printify permission to connect with your eBay account and send your product listings to that store. Complete the authorization prompts that appear, and once the connection is approved, your eBay store will be linked to Printify. And that's it. You've successfully connected Printify to eBay.